You might see a potato and just think of fries or mashed potatoes, but this simple vegetable is a true powerhouse that has shaped our world. It's a story of survival, nutrition, and incredible versatility that spans thousands of years and crosses every continent. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the amazing journey of the potato. Our story begins over 7,000 years ago in the Andes Mountains of South America. Ancient civilizations, like the Incas, were the first to cultivate potatoes. In the harsh Andean climate, with its strong sun and cold nights, the potato evolved to be tough and resilient, a reliable source of energy that could be stored for months. The Incas even considered it a sacred food. When Spanish explorers arrived in the 1500s, they brought potatoes back to Europe, but people were suspicious. Some thought they caused diseases, others disliked them for growing underground. It took a while, but eventually, Europeans realized how easy potatoes were to grow, especially in cold climates. They became a crucial crop that helped feed entire populations and prevent starvation, changing the course of history. Now, let's talk about nutrition, because potatoes often get a bad rap. Many people think they're unhealthy, but that's usually because of how they're cooked, like deep frying. A single, plain potato is packed with nutrients. It's got more potassium than a banana, plenty of vitamin C for your immune system, and vitamin B6. It's also naturally fat-free and cholesterol-free. The carbohydrates in potatoes provide slow-releasing, sustained energy, which is perfect for keeping you going throughout the day. And if you eat the skin, you get an extra boost of fiber and minerals. The skin is where a lot of the good stuff is hiding. Potatoes, especially colorful ones like purple potatoes, are also rich in antioxidants that help protect your body from damage and inflammation. Here's a cool trick. When you cook and then cool potatoes, like in a potato salad, they develop something called resistant starch. This acts as a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, supporting your digestive health. So, that leftover roasted potato from last night's dinner is actually even better for you today. Beyond physical health, potatoes are the ultimate comfort food. Think about a warm bowl of mashed potatoes or a perfectly baked potato. These dishes evoke feelings of warmth, home, and comfort. Every culture has its own special potato dish that brings back memories, from Indian aloo curry to French gratin to Japanese potato croquettes. It's a food that connects us to tradition and family. The potato's role in history is just as significant. During the Industrial Revolution in Europe, it was the cheap, high-energy food that fueled the workforce. In Ireland, it became a staple food, but this dependency led to disaster. When potato blight, a plant disease, destroyed the crops in the 1840s, it caused a devastating famine that forever changed the country. This tragic event highlights just how powerful this single crop had become. Today, the potato is one of the most versatile ingredients in the world. You can boil it, bake it, mash it, fry it, roast it, grill it. The possibilities are endless. And because of its mild flavor, it absorbs spices and sauces beautifully. Think about all the different ways it's used globally. In Korea, you have sweet and savory glazed potatoes. In Malaysia, it's a key part of rich curries and rendang. In America, we have everything from hash browns to loaded baked potatoes. Its adaptability is truly incredible. Let's bust a few common myths. First, do potatoes make you fat? No, potatoes themselves are low in calories. It's the added butter, sour cream, and frying oil that pile on the calories. Eaten in moderation, they are a fantastic part of a healthy diet. Another myth is that they have no nutrients. As we've seen, that's completely false. They are a valuable source of vitamins and minerals. And did you know that not all potatoes are the same? Russet potatoes are starchy and fluffy, perfect for baking and mashing. Yellow potatoes have a creamy texture that's great for roasting. Red potatoes hold their shape well, making them ideal for potato salads. Understanding these differences can really level up your cooking game. Potatoes are also champions of sustainability. They produce more food per square meter and require less water than major crops like rice or wheat. Scientists are constantly developing new varieties that are more resistant to disease and climate change. People are even studying potatoes as a potential food source for future space missions, kind of like in the movie The Martian. While that's science fiction for now, it shows the incredible potential of this humble vegetable. The potato industry also creates millions of jobs worldwide, from farming and processing to restaurants and food service. Products like chips and frozen fries are a massive global market. And innovation continues, with healthier options like air-fried potatoes becoming more popular as people seek nutritious snacks. The uses for potatoes even go beyond the kitchen. Potato starch is being used to create biodegradable packaging, reducing plastic waste. Potato fibers are found in cosmetics for their antioxidant properties. Some companies are even turning potato waste into eco-friendly fuel. It's amazing how this one plant can contribute to our health, our economy, and our planet. So, the potato is a true symbol of resilience. It grows in tough conditions, nourishes people during hard times, and adapts to every culture it meets. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most powerful things are the simple ones we often overlook. Next time you hold a potato, remember its incredible story. You're holding a piece of history, a nutritional powerhouse, and a source of comfort for billions of people. It's so much more than just a simple side dish. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the foods we eat every day. See you next time.